Bitch. First try. Holy shit. First try. Very impressive. Yeah. Some chords for you, bud. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's not that good. It's not that bad though, yeah. It's not bad. Got some Lexanis. Yeah. What you know about some Lexanis? Nothing? What you know about little butt stuff? Nothing. Need you. And we need you. And we're gonna see how much no oil is in this car. She's about, 5,600 miles past due. So this is what a 10,000 mile plus oil change looks like on a 16 Honda Accord with the 4-banger. And we do not recommend that. No, we do not. Pivot. New washer for you, Bradley. Take that off there like that, right, chair? Fuck you. Dangly magneto on a stick. Thread that filter off. Hey, hey! Shh! Shut up! Filtration system. A little stool sample for ya. And we're just gonna thread you on here. Okay. Shh. Shh. I'm trying to do something here. Hold on. Shh. Just really quick. Yeah, thanks. Appreciate ya. Whew. Nice little drip going on. Cappucchingus. 30 foot-pounds. Shh. Bit of razzle jazzle. Lorenzo in the benzo. With no friends though? Just gonna raggy poo you down. Clean all that off. That's free of charge. We're not gonna charge you for that. Appreciate the missing splash shield. That's looking mint. You. Oh God. Okay. Trajectory. First try. Come on. Come on. Reach. Come on. Come on. Disappear. Okay. Get fucked. Tire mountain. We got some bead sealer. That looks like shit. Let's get you and you. Oh, probably this. Yep. Lexani Performance Tire. Is that good? Do we like that? Do we like the Lexanis? Frank Gallagher. That's his name. Come on, bud, don't be shy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Here we are. 50. 36 exactly. I've never been more sure of anything in my entire life. Yeah. Tyler Durden. Tyler Durden? Holy shit. I'm on fire. That's 36 on the dot. I'll take this off. Where's the cappuccinos? Hello? Cappuccinos. Yeah, cat hat and a fish. Progress. Slopperberg progress. Sloppergress? Yeah. Come on. There she goes. Little tappy tap. Just gonna tap it in. Release! Release! Huh? We're just gonna cram jam this in here. There we go. This is bad. Fuck you! Yeah, that's bad. That's not good. Yeah, fat cat. Catata fish. Out you go. Release. The Leaning Tower of Tires? Is that fine? Okay. Lubrication. Yeah! Cat hat and a fish. There you go. Wilson? Come on. Come on. Come on. Disappear. Big boom. Big boom, very soon. Big boom. Come on, bud. Come on. Come on. There she goes. $36 on the dot. It's perfectly 36. 36! Oh. A little over. Cappuccingus. And some wheel weights. Get. sticky weights. Yep. Some wheel weight surface prep 2000. Some good stuff right here, bud. Give that a nice little wipe down. Make sure that dries up real nice like. And 50 cents for you. I'm just gonna set you right here. And some firm pressure. And we forgot a wheel weight, dude. Unacceptable. Yep. Go away. Get. My mistake. Okay. Work with that. 30 grams. Right about there. A little cleanup. Clean up the shit. Cappuccino. Almost forgot about you. Cappuccino. Wheel for you. Okie dokie. Slip you right up on there if you don't mind. Yeah, we'll just torque you down. Appreciate your cooperation. Okay, happy with that. 4.6. What about that? Jingle jangle. Change the angle. Set you down. Cappuccino. Peek a gander at this high score right here. It's yeah, 5,600 miles past due. So we are well over 10,000 miles since the last oil change. So go figure. No oil in the dipstick. Car had about 2 quarts of oil in it. So yeah, we don't recommend that. That's a long time to be staring at that. I'm just saying. There we go, bud. We are good for another 100,000 miles. Go ahead and reset the tire light. Convenient switch down here. We appreciate that. And now your tires aren't going to explode, so that's good. Now let's see what we got going on. We got oil now, bud? We do. We do. That's good. We like that. Go away. Fuck you. Fuck you. And fuck you.